Good morning, my dear student. Today we'll discuss about 5th standard science, chapter number 2, reproduction in plants. Students, we all know that our earth is the only planet which supports life. However, all living things must produce more of than their kinds, that is, must reproduce. The reproduction becomes an important process for the continuity of life on the earth. Students, firstly, in your mind, a question will arise. What is reproduction? The process of producing new individual form in its parents is called reproduction. So, the reproduction in human being is important not only for them but for plants and animal also. So, today we'll discuss how reproduce in plants or reproduction in plants. Let's see different modes of reproduction in plants and how it is different from animals. Firstly, the modes of reproduction in plants, two types: asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction means new plant arises from vegetative parts. That means the plants reproduce through other plants parts like leaves, roots and stem, etc. And in this asexual reproduction, no seed formations. Next one, sexual reproduction. New plants arises through reproductive parts, that is flowers, fruits and seeds are formed. In our early class discussed, new plants mostly arises from seeds. A seed grow into a seedling, that is seedling, in correct process or right type of soil, and it receives a sufficient amount of water, air and warmth. This process by which a seed develops into a seedling is called germination. So, students, you can understood what is germination. But this germination is not a single step process. Before growing into a fully grown plant, a seed has to go through a number of stages. Firstly, a seed is sown in the soil. Then it is watered daily so that it remaining moist and the seed coat can be broken easily. And it gets air from the atmosphere and warmth from the sun. In second stage, the seedling breaks the seed coat and comes out of the seed. It obtains its food firstly from the cotyledons and then from the soil. In third stage, the seedlings develops roots and shoots. And lastly, the seedling now develops leaves and branches and finally grows into a plant. But in some cases, all seeds grow into plants. But some seeds not grow into plants because of some seeds are damaged by animals, insects, wind or water. Some do not receive appropriate condition of growth. But some seeds grow very close to each other and to the parent plants. Such seeds compete with each other for the available food. Then, as a result, only a few of them survive while the rest starve and die. To avoid growing very close to each other, plants take help of agents like wind, water, or animals to their seeds. This process by which the seeds are scattered away from the parent plants is called dispersal. So, today we'll class was completed. In next class, we will discuss what is dispersal and its agents.